Vincenzo's Gold Crypto Investing in this quick. Vincenzo's Gold Crypto Investing, where you like, subscribe, and share for that one-of-a-kind, company-made, most importantly, computer software trading, probability-based trading alert, tactical analysis, and company philosophy, as I'm your most trusted source, as it's been proven for blockchain technology and unbiased cryptocurrency breaking news and coin updates on YouTube and in the cryptocurrency sphere, as old Vincenzo has brought back truth and integrity back into the trading sphere. And I just want to give a shout out. I had an all right night at bowling, bowled a 589 today, a 203, a 170 something, and a 216, whatever that comes out to. But we're going to give a shout out to my Dodge Ram, right? I bought this girl 4.5 years ago, put 62,000 miles on her, and she has been flawlessly. After all the hate Dodge gets, my Ram is beautiful, right? She looks gorgeous right now. Hopefully this doesn't cut off my, look at her. She looks like she's brand new right now. Look at that nice screen, the dash. There is no Dodge, no more cracking of the dash. She looks great. Look at her. As proof, she's got 91,619 miles on her, and she has treated me great. Brought me all across the country, from Kentucky to Chicago, to Battle Creek, Michigan, to Toledo, Ohio, Central Illinois, back and forth. She's done one reliable vehicle. So we're going to give a shout out to my old Dodge Ram. She's almost paid off, right? I only owe $7 grand on her, and she's like that close to being paid off. And Dodge gets a lot of flack for not having the quality, right? The old Dodge Ram dashboards that used to break in the Gen 1s and Gen 2s. This is a Gen 4. It's not cracking. My paint, flawless after 6.5 years. The chrome, I got chrome galore on this truck because I love chrome. Beautiful. Looks like it's brand new. Hold on, I got to order some food.
Hello, how are you doing today?
Not too bad. Can I get a 3-piece chicken tender meal with a Pepsi, medium?
Okay, what's the drink?
Medium Pepsi.
And then any dipping sauce?
What? Ketchup?
And then ice cream now or later?
Later.
Anything else for you today?
No, that's it.
Okay, $7.75, please.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You're right, she gets a lot of slack at the Dodge Ram, but she has treated me great. If you look at my pickup truck, after 91,619 miles and nearly 6.5 years from the factory showroom floor, she looks like she's brand new. Chrome, paint, rims, everything. Hold on a second. We got to pay real quick, and then we're going to get into the Bitcoin price. Ooh, where did I put that? Shit. Thank you.
Anything else?
Thank you. All right, now if we look at the Bitcoin price, not liking that. We'll look at the Bitcoin price here, and you'll see currently we're sitting here on our post bowling update. We're sitting here on support at the $19,893, right? And that's major support. And we're going to look to hold that. And if we don't hold that, we're going to drop all the way down. If you don't hold that 19,000 old 2017 all-time high, you're going to fall down to that 16. Let's put the phone the right way. You're going to fall down to that underneath support at about $16,900, right? So that's where we're at on Bitcoin. You see that critical underneath support where you're sitting at now. If we zoom in to the hour time frame, you'll see that beautifully. See that? You're sitting on it quite beautifully, and you must hold that in order to keep the bullish action going, right? There she is. We're looking for my wallet. You must hold that 19,000 old all-time high to remain bullish, or you're going to fall all the way down to this regional low more than likely, even though you got the top part of the white support box at 19,200, and then you got a sneaky, slithering, snake-like green ring at 18,700, but you would more than likely fall all the way down here. So you have to hold that right now. That's a critical support level right there, as we can all see on this red horizontal line right there. That's a critical support, and we're going to pay attention for that to see what happens here if you can't bounce back up into this trading range that we've been in, or you're going to fall straight down, right? That's a very critical area to watch out for, and I'm going to keep that up for you at old Vincenzo's Go Crypto Investing. If we take a look at Cardano, as I get my food, hold on a second, bear with me. You can see Cardano, we've been getting violently rejected by the moving averages. Every time we get over the moving averages, if we zoom out to the 2-hour time frame, you can see we just keep getting harshly rejected. And that's leading more and more validity that, as you know, old Vincenzo thinks we're in a multi-year bear market that I've been advertising since early last year in 2021, May, June of last year. I told you we're entering a multi-year bear market, even after that bear market rally that led us to Bitcoin all-time highs. I've been warning and telling you this is a multi-year bear market, and these coins got a long way down. And what you need to watch out for, Cardano, if you can't get over this green 200-day moving average and shoot up to the bottom part of the last line of defense, the shithouse right there at 61 cents, you're going to scream faster than you can believe down to that 31-cent level, and it's going to be very excruciatingly painful, and you're going to be fleece heisted and shysted to the most extreme degree. Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
You too. You're going to get fleece heisted and shysted to an extreme degree imaginable, and I see all these communities getting huge, spewing just the non-stop propaganda, but old Vincenzo doesn't shoot propaganda at you. I shoot you straight like Shooter McGavin, and I believe that's the only reason that my channel, Vincenzo's Go Crypto Investing, hasn't taken off bigger in the last 15, 16 months, is because I don't just moonboy you. I don't just tell you crypto's the be-all, end-all. I don't just tell you all these coins are going to $1 quadrillion and they're going to make you rich. Old Vincenzo shoots you straight. I shoot you honestly, and I shoot you what I think I'm seeing in the marketplace, and that's why I was the only one, Altcoin Daily, Carl from the Moon, Crypto, and all these other people that are getting on mainstream media sites spewing their nonsense, because for 5 years they just spewed that everything's roses and gravy and it's going to $1 bajillion and Bitcoin's going to be plan B. Bitcoin was supposed to be at $110,000 right now. It wasn't supposed to have 65 to 70% flush, and this bear market's not even over yet, right? If I was one of those sites, I would be on KitGo News. I would be on MSNBC. I would be on Fox News. I would be on CNN as a crypto expert, as old Vincenzo, if he was a moon boy and an ultimate bullish laser beam eye, I would be Michael Saylor. I would be out there non-stop in your face with 1.2 million subscribers in 15 months like all these other charlatans out there, but old Vincenzo shoots you straight. I tell you when it's going to be bullish. I tell you when it's going to be bearish. And for that reason, old Vincenzo is getting beat down, and his content is being hidden and suppressed by YouTube because they don't like to hear the truth, right? If I was a moon boy, hype boy talk, I would be at the top of the list in the cryptocurrency YouTube algorithm just like all these other people are. But old Vincenzo is not a charlatan. Old Vincenzo calls out the charlatans, right? And I put them in their place, and I shoot you straight with old Vincenzo thinks he's seeing in the market. And that's why old Vincenzo's being suppressed. And that's why I need you more than ever to like, subscribe, and share, and to share my content far and wide across social media to spread the message, as old Vincenzo is being censored by mainstream media, by the criminal gangster cartel, and by the banking cartel, right, that wants to fleece, heist, and shice the retail trader. And I say this with peace and love. Use my links down below, my Bitget partnership. But more importantly, if you want to support the channel, just share me far and wide so we can get my word and message out. Peace and love to my beautiful audience.